Hey, today I'm going to be showing you how you can access your Spotify Wrapped video after you have already watched it for 2024. So it's actually very, very simple. And I'll also be showing you how you can find your Spotify Wrapped customized playlist. So let's go and open up Spotify. Now, once we're in Spotify, one of the things we can do is we just can go to the search bar and we can type in Spotify Wrapped. This is going to be giving us our Spotify Wrapped playlist. So here's our playlist right here, but you'll notice that it doesn't have the video. It doesn't have like the little, animated video that it creates for us. So as of the time of making this video right now, it's actually really simple to find that video. All we want to do is go back down to home over here, and then we want to scroll all the way across to where it says Wrapped. Then we can go ahead, select Wrapped, and it's going to be this part or this little icon right here where it says You're Wrapped. This is also a super easy way to go find your top songs for 2024, your music evolution. Like it has a lot of different things in here, including like podcasts and everything. But anyways, we can tap on this. And now it's going to go ahead and start playing our Spotify Wrapped. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.